Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning, class. This is primary 1. In our previous lessons, we talked about what problems involving addition, what problems involving subtraction, and place value of numbers. Today, in this lesson, it is only word problems. So it can be addition, it can be subtraction. And as we know, in word problem, just we give statement and use the statement to find the answer of the statement. So here are some examples. Number 1, there are 12 apples in a tray. More apples are added and there are 18 apples altogether. How many apples are added? It is just a tray with 12 apples. So more apples were added in the tray. We don't know the number of apples. And the total number of apples are 18. How many apples are added? So here we want to know the number of apples added in the tray. We can know the number of apples added in the tray by using the total and the number of apples in the tray in the first place. If you can remember our lessons on place value and subtraction, in place value we know we use this T to represent tens and U to represent units. So since the total number of apples are 18, we will write 18, 1 tens and 8 units. This is the total number of apples. And we know in the first place there are 18, there are 12 apples. So we will take away 12 out of 18, we will know the number of apples added. Whatever we get if we take away 12 out of 18 is the number of apple added. So now we have 12 here, let us take away 12 out of 18. We draw our line, this is our subtraction sign. As usual, we start from units. 8 units minus 2 units. So we can put these marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8. So here, this is 8. These marks represent our number 8. So if we take away these 2 out of this, the remaining will be here. So now let us see. Let us cancel 2. 1, 2. We cancel 2 out of 8. Remain, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write our 6 here. Here we have 1 tenth and minus 1 tenth. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So it means the number of apples added are 6. So therefore our answer here is the number of apples. So let us erase here because we did it to find out the answer. Since we found out the answer, let us the number of apples added in the tray are 6 or is 6. The number of apple added in the tray is 6. The number of apples added in the tray is 6. So therefore 6 is our answer. This is the first example. Now let us go to second example. Here the statement says Mrs. Salami had a tray of biscuits. Full stop. She then sold 11 biscuits and has 12 biscuits left. How many biscuits did she have at the start? So here, if we look at this statement, there's a business woman called Mrs. Salami. So she has some number of biscuits, but we don't know the number of biscuits. But we were told that she sold 11 biscuits.